Welcome back to the lesson. In this video, we'll be talking about sorting list alphanumerically using the sort and reverse method. So let's first of all go ahead and run our script. As you can see, we have our list of orange, mango, kiwi, pineapple, and banana, which are not in an alphabetical order. So let's say we decided to sort our list in an alphabetical order. So how do we go about that in Python? Well, hopefully we have a built-in method, a default method called sort that will help us do that. We don't have to go through the stress or the hassle of sorting our list manually. So with the sort method, we can simply do that in just a second. So let me actually go ahead and show you exactly how to do that. Now all we need to do is come down below here and then call our list mylist.sort, like so. And that's basically all it takes us to sort our string list in an alphabetical order. So let's go ahead and now run our script to see for ourselves. Now if you go ahead and run our script, yes, as you can see now our list is sorted alphabetically. As you can see, we have B first, banana, so B comes before K, and K comes before M, M comes before O, and O comes before P, alphabetically. As simple as that, just by calling our sort method, and everything is sorted in a blink of an eye. That's pretty cool, right? Alright, let me actually go ahead and create a list of single characters to make the concept even more clearer for you. So let's say, for instance, we have list 1, which is going to be a list of characters. Let's use a single quote this time around. Let's say B, comma, D, A, comma, C, comma, E. Now let's go ahead and sort this list 1 out. I believe the concept will be even more clearer for you using this example of single characters. Now let's come down here and set list 1 dot sort, like so, and let's go ahead and be printing out our list 1, like so. And now let's go ahead and run our list. As you can see, our list is sorted alphabetically. We have A, B, C, D, E. So this is how cool the sort method is. It went ahead to sort our element, our list element, in either alphabetical or numerical order. So now we have seen the alphabetical order part. Now let's go ahead and see the numerical side of our sorting method. Now let's come down below here and define another list. Let's say list 2, which is going to be of numerical values. And let's go ahead and say we have 30, we have 25, 16, we have let's say 10, 7, 4, and 1, something like this. Or let me actually go ahead and mix the number. Let's go ahead and say here should be the 30, here should be 10, okay, here should be 17, and here should be, let's say, 12, like so. All right, I think it's better this way. So now let's go ahead and print our list 2, paste it right here. As you can see, it's going to give us our list in the exact same order we defined it. And now if we come down below here and then say list 2 dot sort. All right, now let's go ahead and run our script. As you can see, we have our list sorted numerically. And by the way, I even forgot to mention from the start of this lesson that the sort method by default sorts list elements in ascending order, just as you can see it right here. We start from 1, 4, 10, 12, 14, 17, and 30. This is an ascending order. So what if we wanted to sort our list in a descending order, meaning in the reversed order? For instance, in this case, instead of starting from the lowest number, how about we wanted to start from the highest number to the lowest number? That is descending order. So we can simply do that by specifying a parameter inside of our sort method called reverse is equals to true. So with this keyword that we passed as an argument or parameter to our sort method, we are simply reversing the default order of our sort method, which is ascending. Now we are reversing it to descending. And now if you go ahead and run our script, yes, as you can see, now our order is descending order. It's starting from the highest to the lowest: 30, 17, 16, 12, 10, 4, and 1. And the same thing is applied to our alphabetical order. Let's go ahead and try that as well. Let's copy this line of code, come down below here, paste it, and let's say we wanted to print list 1 over here, paste it. And as you can see, if you run our program, we have A, B, C, D, E. This is the ascending order, the default order of our sorting method. Now if you go ahead and apply same keyword right here, copy this, paste it right inside of our here. This is for list 1, paste it right here, and then run our program. As you can see, our order reverses. Instead of starting from A, we start from E. So we have E, D, C, B, A. You get the idea. So friend, that's basically all about this sort method. Now we're going to move to the last but not least, which is the reverse method. The reverse method is basically unlike the sorting method. It's not going to sort the element, but rather reverse the current order of our list. So let's go ahead and put that into practice and see it for ourselves. Now let's go ahead and comment this line of code, comment everything out, and let's go ahead and reduce some of the print function right here. So right down below here. Alright, now let's go ahead and say we wanted to print my list like so. So as you can see, this is our current order: orange, mango, kiwi, and pineapple. So the reverse method is going to reverse the current order. That's all it has to do, meaning it's going to flip it around. It's going to start from banana, pineapple, kiwi, mango, and orange. So it's basically unlike our sorting method that is sorting alphanumerically. So now let's go ahead and use the reverse method. Let's come over here and say, let me reduce this a bit. Okay, now let's say my list dot reverse. Okay, something like this. And if we go ahead and run our script now, as you can see, our current order is reversed. So instead of orange, mango, kiwi, pineapple, and banana, we start from the last to the first, which is banana, pineapple, kiwi, mango, and orange. Let's actually go ahead and reverse our remaining list. So let's come down below here and say for list 1 dot reverse and list 2 dot reverse. Okay, and let's go ahead and print everything. Copy this line of code down below here, paste, come down below here, paste again, and this time around we're going to be printing our list 2 right here, list 1, sorry, and list 2 over here. Let's actually go ahead and change the numbering. Alright, now if we go ahead and run our script, as you can see, all the order of our list have been reversed. They have been flipped around. As you can see, instead of starting from B, D, A, C, we started from the last to the first, which is E, which is A right here, C, A, D, B, C, A, D, B, and here we start from 1, 4, 17, 30, 16, 12, and 10. So friend, that's basically it about this video. I hope now the concept of sorting our list alphanumerically is clear to you in Python, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.